Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to check your PC performance, RAM, hard drive, or what game you can play from your computer, and checking your computer performance as well. So I'm going to show you a software that checks all of these. So first go on to Google and then type in user benchmark, and then click on this link and click on free download. Open it up, click yes, click run. Wait for a couple of minutes for it to download. So once the process is complete, as you can see from the results here, my PC is not supported for any games. Desktop is Petrol Cruiser, and workstation is not suitable for at all. So first of all, PC status, graphics Intel Core i5 6th Gen, 39%, and the graphics card is built-in graphics, so Intel HD 530 desktop Skylake, and SSD is Kingston 120GB SSD, and there is an additional hard drive installed here. I have 20GB memory installed here. So you can see the graphs. Is showing with the PC specification I have. These are the games I can play. These are all the options here, so you can check CPU. You can compare the CPU performance from here. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.